নমস্কাৰ অসম এছ'চিয়েশ্যন অষ্ট্ৰেলিয়া ছিডনী কেনবেৰাৰ ফালৰ পৰা স্বাগতম আশা কৰোঁ সকলো ভালেই আছে বহুত দিন কাকো লগ পোৱা হোৱা নাই হোপ you are keeping and coping well in this period of uncertainty and restrictions around. As such, we have come up with an idea to entertain ourselves, this time with the help of our little members. So, be comfortable, grab some snacks as our host today, Megha Mallika, takes us in a journey of giggles and laughter. Over to you, Megha. Where are you?
Pikuba, Moina tasu. Hello everyone. Are you ready for the ride this evening? I promise there is a lot in store for you. Moi janu hokolue agrohere roi ase. But as we set ourselves ready for this ride, let's first seek the blessings of the divine with the divine prayers.
Namaskar, my name is Vyam Khatru.
Namaskar, my name is Sama Khatru.
And today we'll be reciting some mantras. First, we will be reciting a Ganesh mantra. And then the Gayatri mantra. And then the Maha Mrityunjay mantra. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirviganam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryashu Sarvada Om Bhuvaswaha Datsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Naha Prachodayat Om Triyambakam Yajamahi Sugandham Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Nityomukshi Yamamritar Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম অংগদ আজি মই এটা কবিতা গাম নিচিনো তোমাক কটাছা প্ৰভু আমি অতি সৰু ল'ৰা চিঞৰি চিঞৰি মাতিলে তোমাক নামাতা দূৰৰ পৰা নাজানো তোমাক মিনতি কৰিব আমি অতি সৰু ল'ৰা আছা নেকি প্ৰভু খৰ্গত তুমি হয় জোন বেলি তৰা নুবুজো তোমাৰ মৰমৰ মাত আমি অতি সৰু ল'ৰা ৰিণিকি খুলতি আহে জানো কৰবাৰ পৰা তথাপিও তোমাক ভাল পাওঁ প্ৰভু আমি অতি সৰু ল'ৰা তোমাক চেনে দয়াৰে আমাৰ বুককনি থাকে ভৰা Thank you.
After seeking blessings from the Lord, let's begin the fun and entertaining ride of this evening by first meeting the cutest little ones in the community, the blooming babies.
I'm counting on this for my. Yeah, Lisa for me, brother.
Do you have a heart? Where is it? Oh, what does the heart do? Pumps the blood. What are the cells present in the blood? Red
Blood cells.
and
White blood cells.
what do the white blood cells do?
They fight.
How do bees make honey?
Get nectar.
From the
Flower.
and then
They form it.
into
Another bee.
and then
Another and another and another.
and then
And another.
finally they store it where?
At the honeycomb.
Can you answer some questions about the planets? So which is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
And which planet has rings?
Saturn.
And what are the rings made of?
Gas and wood.
Which is the brightest planet?
Venus.
Very good. Okay, now can we answer some questions about the dinosaurs? Yeah? Okay, so what does the T-Rex eat?
Meat.
And what does Stegosaurus eat?
Grass.
And where does the Spinosaurus live?
At water.
Make food with the help of what's the process called?
Photosynthesis.
Very good. And what all plants use for making food?
The light carbon dioxide.
And
And chlorophyll. Water.
and who drinks the water for the plants?
Roots.
Very good.
Mine is up there. Johnny, yeah, Papa. It thinks sugar, no, telling us, no, what, but show your hands. Hi, I'm Kyla. I'm gonna sing Head, Shoulder, Knees, and Toes. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
How cute these little ones are. We really love you. Now it's time to watch a few of our little ones narrating some beautiful poems or stories. Next on the right, we have with us the budding scholars.
everyone, my name is Manu. Namaskar. Today I'll be sharing two limericks with you. One is about a donkey, this one's pretty weird, and one's about a camel. Okay. And I also drew these pictures as well. I drew a camel and a donkey. Okay, so now, first I'm going to start with the camel limerick. There once was an oversized camel who had so tiny legs that he fell. Now broken his bones, he threw sticks and stones to anyone who tried to yell. This person is not okay. There's a donkey in my back pocket, lighting up fire rocket. It wasn't that cool and it wasn't so cool to have a donkey hitting your eye socket. Bye.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Namaskar. Today I'm going to recite an Assamese poem written by Parijat. The name of the poem is Correctly Koi. Khoi koi hunak tik tik tik. Khomoi goi sori tik tik tik. Bumurai koi huna kori gun gun. Futai pohiba path nai bun bun. Puan yori koi tuk tuk tuk. Nojuka bhai tik sup sup sup. Thank you.
নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম অথৱ দাস মই ক্লাছ 1ত পঢ়ো মোৰ 6 years আজি মই এটা কবিতা পঢ়িম কবিতাৰ নাম আছে খাট বাৰৰ নাম দেওবাৰ সোমবাৰ আৰু মঙ্গলবাৰ বুধবাৰৰ পিছতে বৃহস্পতিবাৰ শুক্ৰবাৰ শনিবাৰ এই খাট বাৰ বাৰবোৰৰ নাম বাৰৰ মনত নাই কাৰ Hello, নাম Moina Kakachi. মোৰ ক্লাছ 2 পঢ়া আজি মই কবিতা আবৃত্তি কৰিম কবি নিৰ্মল প্ৰভাৱ বৰদলৈ খৰশীলৰ বিয়া হ'ল নীলা কাপোৰ পিন্ধি বন্ধুৰে মিঠাই খাই গছৰ ডালত উঠি 1 ডজন 2 ডজন 3 ডজন লুচি বিলাসী খালে নাছিল আলু ভাজি Thank you for listening. নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম দেৱীয় মই এটা গান গাম জুম্বাই এটি ধৰা দিয়া এটি ধৰা নালাগে ধৰা দিয়া পাটনাই চুটনা কিহত খৈ দিম হালধীয়া চৰায়ে বাওদান খায় হাওদাৰ প্ৰত্যেকে নাও মেলি যায় নাও বোলে থুলু মুথুম Bate bole ba, godolite javakura. Dynava. Hi, my name is Ira Barua. Today, I'm going to read a story that I've written. I hope you enjoy it. Once upon a time, there were some fairy spies. The fairy spies' names were Tiana, Sanvi, Preksha, Amelia, Stefan, and Ira. Whenever someone was taking over the country, they couldn't because the fairy spies always stopped them. One morning, a fairy spy went out and got lost. When the other fairy spies woke up, they realized that Stefan was missing. Meanwhile, Stefan kept walking. There was a hole in front of him, and he fell into the hole. Even though Stefan had wings, he couldn't fly out of the hole because his wings would get sore. The other fairy spies went out looking for Stefan and found him stuck at the bottom of the hole. Amelia thinks of her balloon. The only problem is the balloon makes Stefan go up and up and up. Preksha thinks of a helicopter, but Stefan goes even higher and higher, higher than Mount Everest. Ira suggests we climb Mount Everest, and Tiana suggests we start throwing snowballs, and Sanvi suggests that we throw snow on the ground for a soft landing and to play in the snow. Now all three fairies start throwing snowballs at the balloon. The balloon burst. Pop! Stefan lands in the snow. All the fairy spies play in the snow. After that, they fly back to their secret hideout. The end. Hope you enjoyed my story. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. We really love seeing you all. Next, please get ready to tap your feet on the floor as we now meet the dancing divas.
I'm dancing in my room. I see the things around me, bows pinned upon the walls, glasses to see, drum set on the floor. Oh, a ballet bar to tendu, glisse, plie and fondue. When I am dancing here, I can dance all day and see things I hold dear.
I want to dance.
It's okay, you okay?
Without you holding me up.
way in the dirt underneath, yeah. Gonna shake all the way in the dirt underneath, yeah. Gonna shake all the way in the dirt, yeah. Gonna shake all the way in the dirt,
Thank you, beautiful ladies. It was really lovely seeing you all dancing to your favorite numbers. Now, I'm sure all along this ride, the parents must be sipping their favorite cup of tea or coffee, and the young ones must be munching on some snacks. আৰু এই লকডাউন মেক্সিমাম পেৰেণ্টছে কিন্তু কিটচেনতে সময় কটাইছে, আমি সকলোৱে জানো। কিন্তু আমাৰ সৰুখিনি কম নহয়। Let's now watch them trying some new recipes and we'll tickle our taste buds.
মই টিকা পণ্ডিত হয় আৰু মই কাপকেকছ বনাই দিম। মই ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৰেড কাপকেক ট্ৰে লগাই দিম। আমি ফাৰ্ষ্ট ফ্লাৱাৰ অফ দ্য বল পুট কৰি দিম। এতিয়া আমি সুগাৰ কৰি দিম। নেক্সট বাটাৰ, next vanilla, now mix. এতিয়া আমি batter cupcake cases লগাই দিম। এতিয়া আমি oven দি দিম। Whilst the other cupcakes are baking, এতিয়া মই এইটো cupcakes decorate কৰিম। এতিয়া মই sprinkles লগাই দিম। এতিয়া মই এইটো cupcakes finish কৰি দিম। মই এটা cupcake খাম। This is delicious. Bye.
Hello, my name is Affectionately. Today we'll be making a famous Japanese dish called sushi. The first ingredient of sushi is seaweed, which is usually for the outer wrapping. The second ingredient is Japanese sticky rice. And the third ingredient, the filling, which can be usually anything, we are today going to be using smoked salmon. The first step is to cook your Japanese sticky rice for 14 minutes usually. Okay. Once your rice is cooked, you'll have to let it cool down. Next thing you'll need is a sushi mat roller thing. Make sure it is placed vertically on a chopping board. You'll also need to chop out whatever you're using, or else it will be salmon. Make sure it is chopped up in different pieces so it's easier to place on the mat. The first step is to get one roll of seaweed wrap. Now, there's going to be two sides to this sushi wrap. Make sure the shiny part is facing downwards on the wrap. Next, you'll have to get your rice and spread it evenly across this, the top part, the top half. Once your rice is spread, now you'll have to put whatever filling you're using right in the middle of the rice. See, I will put it right here. Make sure to put a good amount. Over here. Yeah. Now, it is time to roll it. When you are rolling, put pressure on the top parts, and also be careful while you are rolling to make sure the things don't go anywhere. Now that your sushi is all rolled up, now you should put it on a plate and get a knife to chop it up. But this plate may be too small, so I shall use the chopping board. Make sure to chop your sushi evenly. So now that you are almost done, you can put your sushi on the plate and repeat if you have any more of your filling or rice. Now your sushi are ready to serve. Now it's time to eat, and for this Japanese meal, time to use chopsticks. I have gotten the sushi. Time to taste it. Delicious.
মোৰ নাম ৰায়ন আৰু মই আজি এটা চকলেট কেক বনাম। Okay, so main ingredient চেনি, তিনটা কণী, butter, milk, অকমান নিমখ, অকমান বেকিং সোডা, ময়দা আৰু এইটো বনভিটা। 10 spoons. Salt first. Salt, pinch of salt. Some salt in here. Baking soda. Pinch of baking soda. At least that's what I have. There we go. Sugar, some sugar. Good. Stir it. Stir it. Okay, mix then. Mix it even. Nice and even. Make it even like there's no tomorrow. Time to get in some butter. Butter. Hopefully I don't spill anything. Oh my god. I wonder what I would say now. Okay, I put it all in. Gotta stir it. Stir it. এতিয়া মই ভালকৈ মিক্স কৰি আছো। এতিয়া মই ইটো চকলেট আৰু কেক মিক্স অভেনত কুক কৰিম। এতিয়া মোৰ কেকটো ৰেডি হ'ল। সো এতিয়া মই টপ ডেকোৰেশনস এড কৰিম। Now we go sprinkles. Woohoo. Pizza.
Today we're going to be making raspberry macaroons. First, we're going to need 140 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 4 eggs, and 100 grams of regular sugar. First we need to mix the powdered sugar and the almond flour together. Now I have mixed the almond flour and the powdered sugar. I have also taken the egg whites out of the egg. Now we must mix the egg whites with an electric mixer until they are foamy. Now I have mixed the egg whites, and with the help of an electric mixer, we must add this sugar step by step into the egg whites till we have the right consistency. You can see that I have added the sugar and red food coloring to the egg whites. Now we must add the egg whites to the dry ingredients. Now I have mixed the wet and dry ingredients together to get this consistency. With the help of a pipping bag, I will put this batter onto this tray in the shape of a circle. Now I have put the batter on the tray with the help of a pipping bag. Now I will put the tray in the oven, which is 150 degrees Celsius, on the lower rack. Now for the filling, I have softened 100 grams of cream cheese. I have added 100 grams of sugar, and I have added some dried raspberries. Now I will add some melted butter. This is a macaroon fresh out of the oven. I am so excited to taste it. Delicious.
Such lip-smacking recipes. I just can't wait to try them. আপোনালোকে কিন্তু try কৰিব. Next on the right we have the singing superstars. So let's go and meet some young ones from the community singing some of our favorite numbers.
তুমি জানো কি মনোরম তোমালে হে হাসিছিল গোপনে গোপনে তুমি জানো জানো কি মনোরম তোমালে হে হাসিছিল গোপনে গোপনে ভাবিছিলো মোৰ জীৱনত যে হাঁহিব ভাবিছিলো মোৰ জীৱনত হাঁহিব দুচকুত পৰা আঁতৰিব দুচকুত পৰা আঁতৰিব তুমি জানাহো কিমান মৰম তোমালে হে Assamese Gupane Gupane Tumi Janu Janahu Kiman Morom Timale He Assamese Gupane Gupane Namaskar, Moina Madira Chatia, Moya Gangan. Muna Pavigura, Etas Hasibuha, Horola Puri, and Matajuri, Kula Puri, and Matajuri, Kulaja Kulakura. Mura Pavigura, Etas Hasibuha, Horola Puri, and Matajuri, Horola Puri, and Matajuri. What I am doing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskar, moi eta Jyoti hongi gam. Bua, bua, toki maloya, toti ni bua. Bua, bua, hamirane ai, prahan jurale, hamirane ai, prahan jurale. Bua, bua, kunandanat parijat pule, bilai hurobi, piyakul kore, kundotini bha. Kulu, 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 koi. Nijori, 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 kunure gai, gai. Bua, bua, toki, toki, maloya, toti ni bua, bua, bua. Pranotulia kora alohua, ikinu maya, ikinu maya, ikinu, ikinu, ikinu maya, ikinu, ikinu, ikinu maya, ikinu, ikinu, ikinu maya. Ikinu, ikinu, ikinu maya. Ikinu, ikinu, ikinu maya. Bua, bua. Dhanyabad. Hi everyone. My name is Vidya. I'm going to sing a song. Ho, 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 ho.
कब के घर कब लिखो कब के तुम भी के घर कब के घर कब सुना सुना है हो
everyone. Today I'm going to sing an Assamese song. Pasoli bagisa, horu bagisa, horu bagisa, janu tekisa. That's my ruisu, pasoli iman, horio pulbur pulise iman, horu hatire nige kurmaru, horu quarantine nige sakoru. Abali pasali diu moi pani motor kulibur khao singani pasali bagisa horu bagisa mor horu bagisa janu thekisa tat moi ruisu pasali iman horio pulbur pulise iman. Thank you everybody. It's about my time and home and I turn around to go and make me laugh. So I said, slightly, a big politely. I guess that I forgot I had a close. So I could push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I stood for everything. You held me down, but I got okay. Already making off the down. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. But then I shake the ground. You held me down, but I got okay. Already making up. Get ready, cause it's high enough. Let's see it all, let's see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, dancing through the fire. I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me go. Louder than a lion, cause I am a champion. You're gonna hear me now floating like a butterfly, singing like to be a butterfly. How am I from hero to my complete hero? You held me down, but I got okay. Already looking up the dust, you hear my voice, you hear that sound. Last time I gotta take the night. Hello everyone, I'm Parijat. This is for you. There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we will make a better day. There's you and me.
Wow, such awesome performances by children. Well, are you enjoying the ride? Children, are you enjoying the evening? What do you think we have next? Any guesses? Well, get yourselves ready to get entertained as we now have the little entertainers.
আগৰে মোৰ নাম বিয়ঞ্চে দিয়া আৰু মোৰ লগত ইমান বল আছে so I thought during lockdown I could practice some juggling so what you want to repeat is just this you want to repeat like 1 2 3 a lot of times and then you want to think of a number like 4 1 2 3 4 like that and then if you keep repeating it to like 10 you can just not count and then just keep doing it like this. You wanna get like just above head height and get that good cross and you also want to get that like good throws in and tuck in like this stance and then just keep repeating. You want to aim for height, but when you get better, you can just do it lower like this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jdas, aka GJ Commendator, and today I am going to presentate you to a story about a wrestling battle. Meet the characters and the name as the story continues. So, here comes Shine Jolly. I am going to shine brighter than the sun. So here comes Shine Jolly. I'm gonna shine brighter than the sun. Here comes here. And here comes Evergreen. I am going to go taller than the tallest tree on earth. As the story begins. It all starts on a little sunny day. I am waiting for him at the Tonight Stadium. Here comes nothing. Supercard. Oops. Ah! Ooh, phew. Alright, it's time. 3, 2, 1, go! This boxing champion is hard. I won't go down though. I will defeat him next time. In the next battle. This isn't over yet. As the journey, as the battle continues. Jump. Ouch.
Thank you.
It's easy, Fair.
Equal. 50-50. No cheating.
Oh, lonely.
Two, one, go! Military colonel. This is how you do the colonel walk.
That's okay. Go.
Animal type, flamingo. This is how to do the flamingo dance. Sorry.
Go back.
Dinosaur style. Dinosaur style. T-Rex. This is how you do the T-Rex walk. Techno style. Robot. This is how you do the robot dance. Beep. Beep. This is how you do the normal catfish walk. My favorite. Hey boys. The cat walk. My favorite. Hey there. Hey there.
awesome performances by all the children. Thank you so much for entertaining us. As we approach towards the end of this journey, let's listen to some instrumentals from the talented ones as we now have the instrumental magic.
Hello, I am Dia Das, studying in Year 2, Broad Public School, Sydney. I am going to play Sonata 11 by Mozart. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anish. I'm going to be playing Huygens Heroes March on the saxophone.
এটা গান গাই শুনাম গানটোৰ নাম লিটল ইণ্ডিয়ান লেণ্ডছ
Hello, my name is Bornell Dust. Today I'm gonna play The Entertainer by Scott Joplin. Thank you.
Wow, what a variety of performances today. I enjoyed it. বৰ ভাল লাগিল নহয়নে মেঘা?
Certainly, Pikuba. ইমান দিনৰ মূৰত তোমালোকৰো নিশ্চয় ভাল লাগিল তোমালোকৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছবোৰক লগ পাই নহয় জানো? I know, you wish this evening doesn't come to an end, but unfortunately all good things come to an end and we also have to wrap up this evening.
Here I would like to specially mention Ashish Doctor, who is the powerhouse behind the video arrangement and digital presentation of the show today. Also, I would like to thank my fellow committee members for all their support. অকণমানিসকলৰ অভিভাৱকসকললৈ মই আন্তৰিক ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ. I really appreciate their cinematographic skills behind the camera.
And also I would like to thank the audience for spending such a wonderful evening with us. সোনকালে আকৌ লগ পাম সকলোৱে যাতে ভালে থাকে তাকে কামনা কৰিছোঁ. Bye bye, see ya.
Awesome job, children. Keep rocking. Signing off for now.
Affectionately yours, Sydney, Canberra, Moina, Parijat.